Hello students, good morning. Good morning. So we are live now. So is my audio and video clear? Okay, thanks for the confirmation. So we have started chapter 10, Arithmetic Progression. We are doing exercise 10A. Until now we have completed 16 questions of this exercise. Today we have to start our class from 17th question. Okay, so before I start class, I just want you to like the stream. So question number 17, you can see on my screen. So let's start. Solve this along with me. And post your answers in the comment section. So 17th question, let's start. Which term of the series? So series is given to us. So one sequence is given to us. So we have to again see which term. So for which term, that means n you have to find. So we did these type of questions yesterday also. So here itself I told you, if you see this term, find which term. So which term means you have to find the value of n. So if sequence is given to us, from sequence we can write the value of a and d. So what is a and d in this sequence? What's the value of a and d? So a is 21. First term of the sequence is 21. And what about d? So common difference is equals to, here second term minus first term. So 18 minus 21. This is equals to minus 3. So A is 21, D is minus 3. Now it's mentioned which term of the series is negative 81. So AN we can just write as minus 81. So A, D and A, D and AN is given to us. We have to find here N. So we can just use the formula of AN. So AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A is 21 plus An's value also we can write as minus 81 plus N minus 1 into D. D is minus 3. So minus 81 minus 21. See 21, if I shift to this side, it will be minus 21. Minus 81 minus 21. This is equals to N minus 1 into minus 3. So here we will get minus 102. And this minus 3, when we shift to this side, it will get divided here. So this is equals to N minus 1. So minus and minus will get cancelled here. So here you can do cancellation. 34 is equals to n minus 1. 34 is equals to n minus 1. So minus 1, when we shift to this side, it will become 34 plus 1 is equals to n. So n is equals to 35. So 35th term of this AP is minus 81. So n is equals to 35. So first part of the question is done. So now what's mentioned here, can any term of this sequence be 0? So again we have to find a term. Which term? Can any term, here it is mentioned, can any term, or if I say this question, which term of the sequence is 0? Which term of the sequence is 0, or can any term of the sequence be 0? It's same. So that means again we have to find the value of n. Again we have to find the value of n, but in this case a is equals to 21, d is equals to minus 3, and an is equals to 0. An is equals to 0 and n we have to find here. So again let's find by using this formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an's value is 0 is equals to a is 21 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3 here. So 21, if I shift to this side, will become minus 21. So 0 minus 21, I can just write as minus 21. This is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. Then minus 3, let's shift to this side. If minus 3, I shift to this side, it will get divided here. So minus 23, minus 21 by 20, minus 3, this is equals to n minus 1. Minus minus will get cancelled here, so 7. So 7 is equals to n minus 1. Minus 1, when I shift to this side, it will become 7 plus 1 is equals to n. So 8 is equals to n. So 8th term is equals to 0. That means A8 is equals to 0. If yes, find the number of that term. So like we have already found that 8th term of the sequence is 0. So is this question clear? In this question, sequence was given to us. From that first part of the question, it was to find which term is negative 81. So we found the value of n here. So 35th term was minus 81. And again in this question itself it was asked, can any term of the sequence be 0? If any term is 0, for that we just have to find the number of that term. So ultimately again we had to find n only when an is equals to 0. Let's do next question. Only 10 watching. Okay, so we have done here 17th question. Let's do next question. So question number 18th you can see on my screen. 18th question, let's see what's given to us and what we have to find here. An AP consists of 60 terms. So how many terms are there? 60 terms. So n is given to us. N is equals to 60. An AP consists of 60 terms. So n is equals to 60. If the first term and the last term, so first term is A, this is equals to 7, and the last term, is 125. See, last term we can just write as an. Last term we can write as an. This is equals to 125. Find the 31st term. So 31st term we have to find. So that means A31 we have to find here. So A31 means for this one, what do I need here? Okay, what's the formula? What will be the formula for A31? Good morning. So what will be the formula for A31? So there are no responses. A31. So 31st term's formula if I have to write, so what it will be? A plus 30D. Yes. So A plus 30D. So that means for finding 31st term, we need A. A is already given to us and we need the value of D also. So common difference we need here. So how we will do this question? See, we have been given first AP has 60 term. First term is 7 and its last term if I say A60 also we can write because it has 60 terms. So A60 also we can write. So 60th term is 125. So from here we have to find the value of D. First we'll find the value of D, then we can just substitute here. So A60 is given to us. So last term, because AP has 60 terms here, so last term I can just write as A60. So A60 is 125. So A60's formula, this is A plus 59D. A plus 59D. So A's value here 7. A60's value 125 plus 59 into D. So let's find D from this equation. So 7 I am shifting to this side. So 125 minus 7, this is equals to 59D. So if we subtract here, we will get 118. This is equals to 59D. So what is the value of D we are getting here? So D's value 118 is equals to 59. So 59, let's shift to this side, it will get divided here. So D's value will get equals to 2. So D is equals to 2. Now let's find its 31st term. We got the value of D. So A31, this is equals to A plus 30D. So A's value is 7. 7 plus 30, D's value is 2. So 7 plus 60, 30 into 2, 60. So this is equals to 67. So its 31st term is equals to 67. So are you getting same answer? So 31st term of this sequence is 67. Okay, shall we do next question? Anyone, any doubt till here? So let's do the next question. 19th question. Okay, tell me 19th question what's given to us? What is given to us in 19th question? No doubts. Okay, because given things, if you are able to figure out, only then you will be able to attempt the question. So tell me what's given. So responses are very less. I want you people to tell me the given things and what we have to find here. A4 plus A8 is equals to 24. See, it's given the sum of the fourth and the eighth term. Say sum. Sum means addition. So sum of which thing is given to us? Fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24. Yes, so sum of fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24. So we can just write here A4 plus A4 is fourth term and A8. This is eighth term and their sum, if I am adding them, so answer is 24. This is the given thing here, and the sum of sixth and tenth term of the same AP. So sum of the sixth and the tenth term of same AP. So same thing, then A6 sixth term plus tenth term. This is equals to 34. Find the first three terms of AP. So what we have to find here? We have to find first three terms. So A we have to find, which is first term, then second term we have to find, and third term we have to find. So first three terms of AP we have to find. So we'll simplify these two, the given things, two equations we got here. Let's simplify this. So if we simplify A4, so A4's formula we know. See, A4, this is equals to A plus 3D. Then A8 is given to us. A8 is equals to A plus 7D. Then A6 is equals to A plus 5D. Then A10, this is equals to A plus 9D. So all these formulas we'll just substitute here and find the and equations we can just further simplify. So fourth term is A plus 3D. So simplify the equation and write here what we are getting. So A plus 3D. So here at A4's place I have written. So A4 I have written as A plus 3D. So using AN's formula. Then A8. So this is fourth term A plus 3D. Eighth term, it's A plus 7D. A plus 7D. This is equals to 24. Now let's further simplify by adding like terms here. So A and A like terms and 3D and 7D, these are like terms. So A means 1A, here also A means 1A. So 1A plus 1A, this is equals to 2A. 3D plus 7D, it's 10D. This is equals to 24. Now you can see in this full equation, 2 is a common factor. So take common factor out. So how to take common factor out? You can just divide. Divide all the terms with 2. So from here you will get 2 and 2 will get cancelled here, 2 into 5 and 2 into 12 here. So you will get first equation as A plus 5D, this is equals to 12. A plus 5D is equals to 12. This is first equation. So is it clear how we got this one? So let's simplify the next one. That's A6 plus A10 is equals to 34. A6 plus A10 is equals to 34. So same way we have to simplify this one also. So A6, sixth term's formula is A plus 5D plus 10th term is A plus 9D. This is equals to 34. Then A plus A. A plus A is 2A. This is 1A here also. 1A. A plus A is 2A. Then 5D plus 9D. That's 14D. This is equals to 34. Again here you can see. So 2 is a common factor here. So we can divide it by 2. After dividing it by 2, We are getting here 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. Here 7 and here 17. So A plus 7D, this is equals to 17. A plus 7D is equals to 17. So we got second equation here. Now two equations we can just solve by any method. So here always it's easy to solve by elimination. So A plus 5D is equals to 12. A plus 5D is equals to 12. That was the first equation. And second one is A plus 7D is equals to 17. So let's subtract. So here minus sign, and here minus A. A minus A will get cancelled here. So 5 minus 7 is minus 2D. And this is equals to 12 minus 17 is minus 5. Yes, so D is equals to minus 5 by minus 2. Minus minus will get cancelled, so 2.5. So D is equals to 2.5. Now we can make use of any equation and further we can solve the value of A. So A plus 7D, this one I am using second equation. A plus 7D is equals to 17. So 7 into 2.5, this is equals to 17. Then A plus, so 7 into 2.5, 17.5. This is equals to 17. So A is equals to 17 minus 17.5. So A is equals to, so this you can do here subtraction. So A's value minus 0.5 we will get. So is it correct? Are you getting same? A is equals to minus 0.5 or plus we are getting. D is equals to 2.5. D is equals to 2.5 and A is equals to minus 0.5. See, both the answers I am getting here, plus 0.5 and minus 0.5. So what's the correct answer here? I think I haven't done any sign mistake. It should be minus 0.5. Minus 0.5. Yes. Okay, so is this question clear? So you can see here in each and every question, we are getting equations, simultaneous linear equations we are getting here in two variables. So we are just solving the equations and finding the value of A and D. But in this question, what we had to find? We had to find first term. First term we have already found now, that's 0.5. We have to find second term and third term. First three terms we had to find in this question. So second and third we can find now. A2. It's clear, see, no one has told. This question is only not completed. Three terms we have to find, not only the value of A and D. So what will be the value of second term? So A plus D, A is equals to minus 0.5 plus 2.5. So second term will get equals to 2. Minus 0.5 plus 2.5. So let's find third term also. So A3 is equals to A plus 2D. So A's value is minus 0.5 plus 2 into D is 2.5. So minus 0.5 plus 2 into 2.5 is 5. So this is equals to 4.5. So A3 is equals to 4.5. So first three terms we can write here. This is minus 0.5, 2 and 4.5. Minus 0.5, 2 and 4.5. So is it clear? Okay, shall we do next question? Next question is the 20th question, is the last question of this exercise. Okay, let's do the next question. If the third term of an AP is 5 and its seventh term is 9, find its 17th term. Yes, so what's given to us? Tell me its given thing. A3 is 5. A3 is 5. Then what else given to us? A7 is 9. A3 is 5, A7 is 9. Seventh term is 9. What we have to find here? We have to find 17th term. So A17th we have to find here. Now third term. So third term's formula we can write here A plus 2D. This is equals to A plus 2D is equals to 5 and A7 is A plus 6D is equals to 9. So we can solve it again by subtracting these two equations. So two equations we got here. A plus 2D is equals to 5 and A plus 6D is equals to 9. So A plus 2D is equals to 5 and A plus 6D is equals to 9. So minus here also minus, then plus A and minus A will get cancelled here. 2D minus 6D is minus 4D and 5D minus 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So D is equals to minus 4 by minus 4. So D's value will get equals to 1. So D is equals to 1. So A's value we can solve now. So we can substitute in any equation. So in this one I am substituting A plus 6D is equals to 9. So A plus 6 into 1 is equals to 9. So A plus 6 is equals to 9. So 6 if we shift to this side, so we'll get 9 minus 6. So A is equals to 3. D is equals to 1 and A is equals to 3. So 17th term we have to find. So let's find now. So A 17th is equals to A plus 16D. So A's value we got as 3 plus 16 into 1. So 3 plus 16 is equals to 19. So 17th term is equals to 19. So 17th term of this sequence is equals to 19. So is it clear? Shall we start with the next exercise? Still here, if anyone has any doubts, you can tell me. No doubts. Okay, so let's do then next exercise. So exercise 10B we have to start now. So let's start from first question. So MCQs. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Two APs have two APs have the same common difference if the difference between their 25th term is 8 and the difference between their 50th term is difference between their 50th term we have to find. So what's the question here? What is the question? Two APs have same common difference. So AP I can just write the first AP I can write as, so whenever we write AP, we know sequence we write as A, then A plus D, this is second term, then third term A plus 2D, or we can write A2, A3, then A4. Like this we write any sequence here. So this is how we write any arithmetic progression. So here two APs are there. So differently let's write. So first AP, let it be like this. Second AP I can write with capitals here. So A2, then A3, then A4 and up to so on. Because AP's two sequences are there. So just I have written them differently. So first AP I have just written as A with small a's and the second one I have written with capital ones. So if the difference between their 25th term, so difference between their, they have same common difference. So if the common difference of first sequence is small d, for second one also the common difference is small d only. Common difference is same for both the APs here. So if the difference between the 25th term, so difference between the 25th term means 25th term of first AP it will be A25 and 25th term of second AP it will be again A25 but capital A25. So this is given to us as 8. This is given to us as 8. Difference between their 25th terms. So this is given to us as 8 and what we have to find here? We have to find the difference between, good morning. See, every day I am taking class. I think you are attending after so many days. Okay, so difference between their 50th term we have to find. So basically A50 minus A50 minus A50. So this is what we have to find. So is this question clear to us? Or if this question clear to you? Everyone, I was fighting with cancer. Okay. Okay, is the question given, given question is clear? Two sequences are there. In these two sequences, common differences came, common difference is same. So, and the given thing is that difference between the 25th term is 8 and we have to find the difference between their 50th term. Is the question clear to everyone? So today very less responses. You should tell me yes, no, if it is clear, we can just solve it. Okay, yes. Now how to write 25th term? So 25th term I can just write as a plus 24d. So this I can just write as a plus 24d minus, see, 25th term's formula we know, the same one I am writing. So this is a plus 24d minus, so this one I can just write as a, which where a is the first term, a plus 24d. Difference I am just writing with small d because it's mentioned difference of both of the sequences same here. So this is equals to 8. So a plus 24d, a plus 24d minus capital A here. Again this plus will be changed to minus because of minus multiplication. Here also 24d, this is equals to 8. So plus 24d and minus 24d will get cancelled here. So I am getting here small a, which is the first term of first sequence, plus capital A. This is equals to, difference between them is equals to 8. So difference between their first terms I am getting equals to 8. So this thing we can just use because we have to find this one. We have to find A50 minus A50 here. So we can just substitute once again. So A50 I can just write as A plus 49D. Here also minus A plus 49D. Because difference is same, so I am writing. So A plus 49D minus A, here also minus 49 because of minus multiplication. So minus 49 plus 49 will get cancelled. So I am getting difference between the 50th terms. I am getting again as A minus A, the small a minus capital A. So here we have just found in first equation that this value is equals to 8. This value is equals to 8. So that means the difference between their 50th terms is also equals to 8. So option third is the correct answer. So is it clear? So in this question, two sequences were given to us. So both the sequences I just wrote in a different way. First one I just considered as A2 with the small letters, and the second one I considered with the capital letters. And the difference is same. So both the differences with small d we can write here because it's mentioned their common difference is same. Other than that, it was given the difference between their 25th terms is 8. So I just expanded their formulas. From after expanding, I got to know the value of the difference between their first terms. That means small a minus capital A, I got its value as 8. Then this thing I just substituted when I found the value of difference between their 50th terms. So is this question clear? So here also we got small a minus capital A. So this value from the first equation we substituted here. Yes, it's a new chapter. This is the third class today. So is this question clear? Is this question clear? Yes, I'll tell my address at the end of the class. No response? Okay, let's do next question. So given things I want to know. Tell me the given things. Then we will solve. Tell me what's given to us. 10 times the 10th term of an AP is equals to 20 times the 20th term of an AP. See, all the time, whatever language is given to us, this language we just have to convert into mathematical equation. So what will be the equation here? So it's very simple. Just try it and tell me. It's given 10 times the 10th term of AP is equals to 20 times the 20th term. So what's given to us? Tell me the equation here. Tell me what's given to us here. See, I don't get any response related to this. So many additional chats are there. So what is given to us? So what will be the equation? So 10 times the 10th term. 10 times. So 10 I can just write 10. Times means multiplication. Times means here multiplication. 10th term. 10th term I can just write as A10. 10 times the 10th term of an AP is means equals to 20 times 20th term. So 20 times means multiplication. 20th term A20. So 10 times the 10th term is equals to 20 times 20th term of the same AP, and what we have to find? We have to find 30th term. So A30 we have to find here. So 30th term we have to find. So again same thing we will do. So A10 and A20's formulas we'll write. So 10 into 10, if you want you can shift to this side because they are getting multiplied. So 10 if you shift to this side it will get divided here. So A10 is equals to 20 into A20 by 10. So here we can cancel. So A10 is equals to 2 into A20. So A10 is equals to A plus 9D. This is equals to 2 into 820. 820 is A plus 19D. So I have just written their formulas. From here I got A10 is equals to 2 into 820. So A10, which is 10th term, we can write it as A plus 9D is equals to 2 into 820. 820's formulas we can write as A plus 19D. So A plus 9D, this is equals to, this we can multiply here, 2A plus 19 into 2 is 38D. Now like terms we can write together. Let's shift everything to this side. So A plus 9D minus 2A minus 38D, this is equals to 0. So from right side I have shifted everything to left side, so that now nothing is there on right side, so this is equals to 0. So A minus 2A, A minus 2A, A means 1A, 1 minus 2 is equals to minus 1, so minus A I can write, and 9 minus 38, 9 minus 38 is again minus 29, this is equals to 0. Minus sign we can take out common here. So if I am taking minus sign common, so A plus 29D, this is equals to 0. A plus 29D is equals to 0. Now tell me what is A plus 29D? What is A plus 29D? Yes, A plus 29D is equals to, this is only 30th term. This is equals to 0. So 30th term, the formula if you write, this is equals to a plus 29d. So after solving this equation, the given equation when I solved, I got a plus 29 is equals to 0. So a plus 29d we can write as 30th term. So this is equals to 0. 30th term of this sequence is equals to 0. So option first. So first option is the correct answer. So is it clear? Shall we do next one? Shall we do next question? See, are the questions difficult now? Responses have like reduced. So till here, no new concept. Whatever we have learnt in the previous exercise, similar type of like questions are there. The concept is same. So try to solve along with me, before me, and post your answers. This question, the nth term of an AP is 7n minus 5. So this type of questions also we have done. So nth term is given to us. So what is the meaning of nth term? An is given to us. An is equals to 7n minus 5. So nth term of an AP is 7n minus 5. Its common difference we have to find. We have to find common difference. So tell me how to find common difference. In almost all the questions where sequences were given to us, we used to find common difference. So how we used to find common difference? See, unless you people discuss, how you will understand. So how to find common difference of any sequence? A2 minus A1. Yes. So second term minus first term. This is what we always do. So let's find this first and second term. So first term is A. So A1 we can write. A1 is equals to, so n's value 1 we can write here. So 7 into 1 minus 5. So 7 into 1 is 7 minus 5. So A1 I can just write as A also. So this is equals to 2. This is equals to 2. Now second term we can find A2. So n's value 2 we can substitute here, at place of n we can write 2. So 7 into 2 minus 5. So A2 is equals to 14 minus 5. So 14 minus 5 is 9. So second term is 9. First term is 2. So what will be the common difference here? What will be the common difference? Second term minus first term. So 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. So fourth option. 2. It's fourth option. Okay, let's do next question. D MCQ. The 40th term of an AP exceeds its 16th term by 72, then its common difference. So here again, so this type of question, exactly same question we did yesterday. So tell me what will be the equation of this one. See, yesterday many students wanted to do more questions, and today strength itself it's very less. And even responses are very slow. Are you able to understand? Is this chapter difficult? Is this chapter difficult? So what will be the equation? It's easy. The 40th term of an AP. So 40th term we can write as A40. So whenever exceed type of like question comes, so we did like in yesterday's class also. So we are describing here something about 40th term. So A40 is equals to A16th. So it exceeds the 16th term. So exceeds means plus. So it exceeds the 16th term by 72. So A16 plus 72. So 40th term, see whenever this is there, exceed means you have to write plus. So after 40th term you write equals to, then whatever term is mentioned here, so 16th term is mentioned, then write plus. Since exceed is used, whichever number is written after by you just write 72 after that, after plus. So A40 is equals to A16 plus 72. So A40 is now difference we have to find. So we can just write their formulas. 40th term is A plus 39D. A16 is A plus 15D. This is plus 72. So A and D terms we can shift to this side. So A plus 39D. So plus A when we shift to this side will be minus A. Plus 15 when we shift it, it will be minus 15D. This is equals to 72. So A minus A will get cancelled here. So 39 minus 15, 9 minus 5, 4 here, 3 minus 1, 2. So 24D is equals to 72. So what will be the value of D? 24 we can just shift to other side. Then D is equals to 72 by 24. So D's value will get 3. D is equals to 3. Fourth option. Well, let's do last MCQ. So the nth term of an AP is 6, 11, 16, 21. Nth term of this AP, one AP is given to us and its nth term, that means AN is equals to 106. Then the value of n minus 4 we have to find. So what is the value of A and D? What's the value of A and D? So it's given to us A is 6, D is 11 minus 6. So second term minus first term, 11 minus 6 is 5. Then nth term means AN is given to us as 106. We have to find the value of n minus 4. So that means n's value we can find now. So formula we can use AN, because AN is given to us. Since AN is given to us, we can make use of AN's formula. AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN is equals to 106. A's value 6 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 5 here. So this we can just shift to this side. So 106 minus 6 plus 6 when we shift it's minus 6. N minus 1 into 5 here. So this will be 100. Then this 5 also will shift to this side. It will get divided by 5 is equals to n minus 1. Because with n minus 1, 5 is getting divided. So when we shift it to other side, it will get multiplied. So this will get cancelled here. So n minus 1 is equals to 20. N minus 1 is equals to 20. Minus 1 when we shift to other side, this will become plus 1. So n's value we are getting here 21. But what we have to find? We don't have to find n's value. We have to find n minus 4's value. So n's value 21 we got minus 4. So 21 minus 4 is equals to 17. Yes, so first option. 21 minus 4 is equals to 17. So is it clear? Is this question clear? So from tomorrow we'll continue from second question. So 10th standard students, why the strength is so less? You are not motivating your friends to attend the classes. See, these are very easy chapters which we are doing now. See, earlier we are finishing with the portions, we can do revision also. We are trying. So yesterday it was like good. From 2-3 days it was good, but today again it's too less. We try. Sleep is more important for them. Sleep is more important than boards. Okay, anyways, if we start at an early stage, see, maths it always required. There is no magic in maths, it's only practice. Okay, so for practice, we have to first finish the portions on time. Okay, so again, I want to tell, see, here you are attending classes. I have shared in group also. So tests, I am going to start. Try to do tests also. Because if you are doing and if you don't attempt test, you will not know like how much you are prepared till now. So those are also very important. So these two things just keep in your mind. Tell your friends also, motivate them. See, early morning even I am getting up, and from next month onwards the class will be 5 to 6. So motivate them, do group studies. So this kind of environment if you create, really you can do wonders. So we can really do great here. Okay. So anything else? Anything else? Anyone wants to say? Nothing. So shall we end class? Okay, then let's end class here. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Bye everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.